Hey everybody, today we are going to play Lightly Row, and this is a duet. So take a look at this piece of music. You see how this line here has a different color on the background and this line does? That's because this line and this line are the first part of the duet. This line and this line are the second part. So if you are practicing with more than one person, part of you can play the first part, which is the gray color music, and the other part, the other person or group of people can play the part that has this pinkish yellowish color background. We'll go over both of them, and then I will play the duet part at the end so you can play the first part with me. Okay, so let's go through and let's say our letter names first, and then we'll do the counts and we'll play the first part. Then we'll go through, say the letter names and the counts of the second part, and then we'll play it. Okay, so the first part is going to be this line here and this line here. Okay, ready? One, two, ready, go. D, B, B, C, A, G, A, B, C, D, 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 B, B, C, A, G, B, D, D, G. Now let's go through and say the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Shh, shh. Okay, now let's play that. It's our same notes, G, A, B, C, and D. Now let's play through it. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now we're going to play the second part, and that's this line here and this line. So let's go through and say the letter names, say the counts, and then we'll play it. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. B, G, G, A, G, G, B, 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 G, G, A, G, G, G. Now let's do our counts. Now let's do our counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this is how it sounds. 1, 2, ready, go. How did you do? Flip it around. You play the first part one time, then you play the second part. Or if you're watching my video, I'll play the first part the first time through, and you play the second part, and then switch it. Have fun with this. Duets are so much fun.